Good morning. For those of you who don't know me, especially if you're sharing this video, I am Phyl Campbell. I am the author of 123 books, and this is one of them. This is a health journal. This is a health journal for you to fill out with your information. This is not the journal that will fat shame you. This is not the journal that will tell you to eat kale for the rest of your life or exercise 30 minutes a day. What this does is allow you to take all of those tests that the doctors tell you to take and you have no idea what the numbers mean and start to try to make sense of the numbers. People ask me, well, why did you decide to create a health journal? You are an author, you're not a doctor or anything like that. But I am a patient. And after my own health issues and journey, I was having to learn a whole lot and write things down because the numbers didn't make any sense to me. Some things were 80%, some things were 4. And so it wasn't until I had a couple of tests to look at and compare what I was 3 months ago to now that I could say, okay, now these numbers start to make sense. So I hope that you will pick up a copy of the Health Journal and you will take control of your own situation. Have a great one. Bye. Nope.